Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a combo with Ice, Death Step, Soul Cane, and Bazaar Rifle. Here are the stats for it. Have max melee, defense, and sword. So the combo is Ice V, C, Soul Cane, Z, Bazaar Rifle X, Death Step C, Z, Bazaar Rifle Z, Ice Z. Well, the Ice Z is optional if they're not dead yet, because I know we're driving them. See how that Ice Z kind of just dragged him, the dummy, across of the Bazaar Rifle X? That'll like stun him so he'll be stuck. You can also use like some M1s maybe if you want to, like shoot them once, but that's optional as well. Or you can use Soul Cane X out. Let me try that. It is pretty hard since I'm on iPad. Okay, well, that's it for today. See ya!